After a hailstorm hits your town, you should know what to do if some of that hail causes damage on your roof. By the end of this video, you'll know if the homeowner's insurance covers hail damage, how to look for hail damage on your roof, and how insurance handles hail damage claims. Your homeowner's insurance policy should cover the costs to repair damage caused by weather events like a hailstorm. It should, in that same vein, also cover things like tree and wind damage. The first step that you should take if you believe that you've received hail damage is to get in touch with your insurance company. Calling out a roofing contractor could be an option, but you'd still need to go through your insurance first to get your claim approved instead of trying to reach around them. If your roof is newer, you'll have a much harder time getting your insurance company to replace your roof, as there's a much lower chance that it actually needs to be replaced. If your roof is getting close to the end of its life, however, your insurance company may cover the full cost of a replacement, as it'll reduce the chance of them having to pay for more serious weather-related repairs in the future. Getting up on your roof can be pretty dangerous and difficult, especially after severe weather, so I don't necessarily recommend looking for the damage right after a storm, especially not if your roof has a steep slope. If there are areas of your roof that you can see from the ground, or if your roof is safe enough to get up on, there are a few key places that roof inspectors and insurance adjusters will look at to determine the extent of hail damage on your roof. One of the easiest places that you can see hail damage appear is on the metal pieces that are around your roof. Some of those include your roof vents, pipe boots, gutters, and your roof's flashing. Those usually consist of a softer metal material that is easily dented when chunks of hail hit it. Those dents don't only show you that the roof received damage though, as they also compromise the integrity of that metal. Getting dented like that weakens those parts of your roof and could even lead to holes being torn through them in the future. You may also be able to see if you received some hail damage if there are dents in your shingles, or if your shingles have started to crack. If your shingles are weak enough from age, or if the hail is particularly large, it may cause parts of your shingles to crack and break off. That opens your roof up to leaks and could create a lot more trouble down the road. So if you spot dents in your vents and gutters, or if you're seeing cracked shingles after a storm, there's a really good chance that your roof took some hail damage. After the storm clears and you've received some hail damage, you'll need to file the claim through your insurance company to get those repairs taken care of. After you've done that, you'll begin working with one of their adjusters who will inspect the roof and try to determine if the storm did in fact cause that damage. The quality of coverage that you'll receive will depend on your insurance policy, and if your claim gets approved, you'll get a check for your roof's actual cash value or replacement cost value according to your insurance policy. After you've received payment from the insurance company, you'll need to use it to get the work done and send proof to your insurance company that the repair or replacement was completed. Now that you've learned some more about how insurance handles hail damage claims, I hope you're starting to feel more confident in taking the next steps in your roofing process. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.